This computer. Okay, so today I'm going to speak about 10 reasons for you to join Network Mind. Okay. And the 10th reason is the most mind-blowing reason. So be ready for that. Okay, I'm just going to share my screen quickly. Okay. I think you should be able to see my screen now. Okay. The 10 reasons to join Network Mind. 1, learn and practice business networking, leadership, and public speaking all in one place. 2, as a member of Network Mind, you can get associate, licentiate, and fellowship credentials in business networking, leading, and public speaking, plus the Grand Fellowship certificate. 3, use your business networking, leading, and public speaking skills to get a paid job in Network Mind region. 4, use your business networking, leading, and public speaking skills to get a promotion with your current employer or turn your business into a more successful business. 5, refer a friend and get 20% of their subscription fee as a reward. Now, that's a lot. That's really a lot. So every time you join a meeting, we bring friends and guests with you. If they sign up, you're going to get some pocket money. 6, run a skilled speaker program. And by the way, we're going to teach you how to do that in Network Mind and get 50 to 80% of the revenue for yourself, or if you're more than one who's running the skilled speaker program, for yourselves. 7, you can bundle chapter membership into the deal when you sell the skilled speaker program. In other words, if you sell chapter membership when you sell the skilled speaker program, then you can get 50% of the chapter membership fees paid. Wow. Now that's a bargain. So just when you sell the skilled membership, just upsell a little bit and get them to buy a membership as well. Right? You can join now for only 2,500 Rand, and that membership is for 12 months of membership. So we meet every week, so you really get a good deal there. And membership lasts for 12 months from the date of signing up and paying. 9, 1 week we do business networking, the next week's public speaking, business networking, public speaking, and so on and so forth. Leadership is part of both types of meeting. It's all a part of Network Mind. And 10, this is the greatest reason why you have to join right now. Purchase a Network Mind franchise and start multiple chapters in your franchise area. But here it comes. We are giving away 3 franchises worth 500,000 Rand each. That's R500,000 each to 3 top performers. But obviously, you have to be a member to be in line for this, okay? Join now and make sure that you are in the running. Questions and answers. So any questions you have, just post below the video in the comments and I'll pick them up there. Thank you for joining me and all the best. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the meetings.